What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I have a screen protector for it today from Whitestone Dome. It is the anti-reflection screen protector. Now, as you all know, the S24 Ultra last year came out with an anti-reflective screen. So it's one of the great features that the S25 Ultra came back with this year. Now, when I put this on, I still have the great anti-reflectiveness that you get every day with this. We're gonna see. We're gonna put this, we're gonna install it and see. Now, this is a very easy to install, very easy installation. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Some Whitestone domes had a great difficulty, or the procedure of it was a lot of steps to get it installed, but this one is just very simple to install. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first thing that you wanna do is turn off your device. Go ahead and power that off. And while that's powering off, I'm gonna show you the goodies that they gave us. Now, they gave us a microfiber cloth, which is definitely what you wanna use. Dust absorber. Now, you have this dust remover. I would not use this on your anti-reflective screen. Big no-no. Do not use alcohol. So we're gonna get rid of that, okay? What you wanna use is a microfiber cloth with distilled water to clean your screen. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna take a microfiber cloth with distilled water to clean our screen. Make sure you do that, because that could ruin your anti-reflective screen. And what's the point of keeping the anti-reflectiveness if you can't do it? So once you clean it with the little distilled water, dry it off with the fresh microfiber cloth that they give to you from Whitestone Dome, and you should be good to go. And then they have this little piece here so that you don't scratch your camera when you're installing it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this like this sideways. Wipe this off one more time because I touched it a little bit. And then you're gonna grab your dust remover. I wish these screen protector companies would give you a full, that it covers the whole screen, because what's the point, you know, if you can't get, because you have to sit here and do this whole thing. I love the companies that give you like a whole screen that covers the whole deal. Go ahead and wipe this down again. Make sure everything's out of it. Beam. Looks good to me. And then you're just gonna grab this piece here, and you're gonna pull off the back. Make sure you don't pull off the whole screen protector. And then you're gonna put this on here. That. And then you're gonna go one to the side, and then two to the top and bottom. And you wanna pull off this part here, number 3, and it'll come right off like so. Then boom. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your microfiber cloth and get out your bubbles like that. And the bubbles should come out. If you do have a little bit of bubbles here and there, they'll come out after a day, but they should come out right away. Like you can see, my bubbles are coming out right away. And then we're gonna see exactly how good this anti-reflective, and also the fingerprint. We gotta make sure the fingerprint is working. So we're gonna go ahead and power this on. And then we'll check the fingerprint, and I don't know what do you guys think of that anti-reflectiveness? Now, this is a tempered glass, which is nice. So, and it's supposed to provide a reflection remover, or not allow. It's supposed to keep the anti-reflectiveness. Ultra clear display, shatterproof, and it should work with your what do you call it, your cases. So if you have a case, I have a couple cases here that I'm going to try, and then, but let's go ahead and sign on here, and then we'll try out the fingerprint. I already have the fingerprint touch sensitivity increased, so that should all work really good. And you guys tell me what you think. If you saw the beginning of the video how I was kind of turning it, but I think it looks pretty good. Let's try the fingerprint. Fingerprint works. I don't have to reset it, which is good. Yeah, seems to work pretty good. Both fingers. So that is really good. And like I said, you could do touch sensitivity in your settings so that you can increase it, or you can reset your fingerprint if you want to do that. We'll try some cases here. This is the Binks Armored Air Aurora. And this, you definitely want a decent screen protector with this kind of case, because it's not very protective, but it seems to work perfect. So no issues there. That's a good thing. This is a good screen protector. Not bad. Only comes with one, so make sure you get it right. All right, the next one I have here is the Torres. This one, I like. This is one of my favorite cases because it just feels so soft, and then it's got your little kickstand, which I love. Yeah. But I got a video on that if you want to check it out. But yeah, looks like this works perfect. So no issues there. That's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. That's how you install the Whitestone Dome Glass AR anti-reflection 98.25%. You guys tell me what you think. Not bad. Everything's responsive, easy to use, no issues. Peace.